Hi everyone, welcome to my final test workbench this evening. Today I have Charles's number 2, the one I labeled number 2, pellet stove controller. It's for a QuadraFire pellet stove. It's a model HTT 230-0120. I've done some pre-tests on this unit, and I added a note to the case there. The green light comes on at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The red light will come on at 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, approximately. I've checked the operation and the functionality of a few other things as well, like the 10-minute timer, the 2-minute auger timer, the element controller, and a couple other things. It all is functioning well. My voltages are fine inside. So I'm ready to run through the last of the final tests here for you to see. I'm currently not calling for heat. My calling for heat lamp is not on, although you cannot see it. It's off to the side here. I'll work to make that a little longer. But when I do call for heat, since I'm simulating a temperature of 73 degrees Fahrenheit, I anticipate that the light that simulates the igniter, along with the light that simulates the auger, will come on, and the light that is simulating the combustion fan will remain on. So let me go ahead and turn that on, call for heat. There's my call for heat. My little light is on, calling for heat, which we can't see. And sure enough, the igniter is on, and so is the auger motor. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ramp up the temperature a little bit, and we'll watch to make sure that these green and red lights come on when expected. So, as I said, at about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, let me turn that around for you to see. I'll ramp that up, 152, 250. There it is, there's the green light. It just came on at 300 degrees. And the next one is at 1200 degrees F. When I reach the 1200 degrees F, the red light will come on, and that will cause the igniter to shut off. We're approaching 1200. There it is. The red light came on, igniter off. Back and forth. And notice the auger motor stays on. The auger motor will stay on for approximately 4 minutes based on one of the timers inside the box. I've tested that, and that's correct. So there we have it. Everything on that controller is functioning. It's able to turn the motors on and off, the element on and off. And I will ramp this back down. So Charles, I want to thank you very much for sending me your 3 controllers for repairs this time. I hope that this works out well for you. I'll be sending them back to you shortly. For all of you other viewers, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate that very much. And I'd also like you to subscribe to my channel. That way, if you have interest, more of these videos will come your way, and you'll be able to follow as I complete more repairs on both pellet stove controllers and a number of other things that I take on as challenges. So thanks everyone. Have a good evening.